good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your own sneakers. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes. Okay, well, the sole is going to be this. That's going to be the sole. Make it white. Okay, gray outline. Now I'm going to look for another shape. Let's go with this shape. And we'll modify it. Okay, I think shape outline, weight, will make it really thin. This one a little bit thinner. What I'm going to do now is edit one of the shapes here. I'm going to add a point. And then another point. Okay. This one I'm going to lift up. Okay, need a couple more points here. Smooth that out. Now we're going to work on the bottom part. I'm going to bring down the zoom, group them. I'm going to select both of them. Shape, group. Okay. There we go. That'll be proper size shoe. So this is the sole. Let's go make it a little bit blue. Gonna go with that. And shape fill. Let's see, I'm gonna try something else here. This shape fill, make it black. So we're going to make a bumblebee design. Just take a circle. I want it like this. And I'm going to make it white. Shape outline, no outline. So I want it to be like that. Edit points. Yeah, I think I want it to, instead of going all the way, maybe the outline should be yellow. Shape outline. Let's go like that. Look at the shape. See if that would work. I see, bring it out like that. Shape fill, gradient. Go shape effects, bevel. Like that. Shape effects, bevel. This one, I think this has to be wrap around. Shape format, shape outline, yellow. Take that yellow, shape outline, weight. Go like that. And go here, edit points. I'm going to go into this arrow, go into 3D format, and I want to bring down that width a little bit. That might be better. This outline, shape effects, bevel. Go with this one. Shapes. Add a circle. I'm going to have another circle here. Make it white. Gray. Outline. Thicker. Like that. Put a bevel on there. Just trying to think here. Like that. Shape fill. that. Let's just leave it whatever. Copy. I'm going to say 0.45 centimeters. 5. Align. Top. Okay, that doesn't work. But actually, it does. Align. Distribute horizontally. Now we're going to group them. Rotate them. And move them into place. Maybe make it even bigger. 0.65. 0.65. Like that. Shape fill. Gradient. Say it was this shape. This testing. No, it doesn't do nothing. But what if we take this shape and give it a signature stripe? I'm going to add the Bumblebee to the shoe. Now I'm going to add a lightning bolt. It's going to be like this. Line that up. Make it yellow. Add some gradient. Hopefully up there. Like that. Now we pick the style that we want. I'll go with that. This is going to be strictly experimental. I'm going to take this U shape. Let's see. Center back. Now bring forward. So it kind of hides under the thing there. Go like that. Shape fill, gradient. I'm going to go edit points. Bring this down like that. Actually, edit points. Bring this up. Let's see if this works anywhere. Okay, we're going to have to put a bevel on there. This one works. I wonder if we flip it around. If that adds any value. Edit points. Bring that up. Again, I'm going to copy it. Bring to front. I want this to go behind it, like that. This maybe should be smaller. I'm going to put some writing. We're going to say, be free. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. This has to be bold. Let's make this larger. There's already text that we could try. We can try this one. I don't know if that's going to work. Here or here. I was thinking here or here. We can have this. It's called signing. It can be lots of places we can sign in 2 places. Why not? Be free. I'm going to copy it. And then this, highlight it. None of that will work, so I'll just go automatic. Make it go here. There's a part of the B that I didn't copy over, so I'm just going to copy that over. Just make it smaller now, if possible. Highlight all this. Group it. Okay, thanks for watching.